Welcome to Fab and Fit Journey. Are you ready to simplify your fitness journey with nutritious and easy meals? In today's episode, we have you covered with healthy, incredible meal prep ideas that are perfect for those busy days. These meals are designed for convenience, packed with essential vitamins and nutrients to help you power through your daily activities. Meal prep is not just about saving time. It is a strategy to ensure you are eating healthy, balanced meals that fuel your body. Are you racing against the clock every morning? Looking for a breakfast option that is not just quick, but packs a nutritional punch? We unveil the superheroes of breakfast morning egg muffins. Eggs are the cornerstone of these bite-sized wonders, offering high-quality protein essential for muscle repair and growth. Perfect for the busy bee or anyone in a morning rush, these muffins are your allies in starting the day on the right foot. Packed with vitamins D, B6, and B12, plus minerals like zinc, iron, and copper, these muffins are a multivitamin in a delicious edible form. Whether it is a post-workout meal or just fueling up for the day's challenges, our morning egg muffins have you covered. Let us discover a nutritious alternative that is not only delicious, but packed with health benefits. Oatmeal with almond milk and Greek yogurt offers a perfect blend of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. It is also rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, supporting everything from your heart to your gut. The beauty of this meal lies in its versatility. Add fruits, nuts, or seeds for extra flavor and nutrients. Whether you are craving something sweet or savory, this oatmeal has you covered. If you are watching your weight, this oatmeal combo is an excellent choice. It is filling, lower in calories compared to many fast food options, and helps keep those hunger pangs at bay. Their magic lies in supporting heart health and stabilizing blood sugar levels, making them the perfect start to your day. Next, almond milk, a delightful lactose-free alternative to traditional dairy. Almond milk is low in calories but rich in vitamin E and healthy fats. It is the perfect way to add creaminess to your oats without the extra calories. And let us not forget Greek yogurt. High in protein, it supports muscle health and promotes a feeling of fullness. Combination of fiber from oats and protein from Greek yogurt is a dynamic duo for controlling hunger and preventing overeating. But the benefits do not stop there. Together, this combo improves digestive function and supports gut health, thanks to the probiotics in Greek yogurt. Customizable to your taste and lifestyle, this nutritious staple is more than just a breakfast. It is a delicious way to boost your health and energy levels. Oats with almond milk and Greek yogurt is not just breakfast. It is a nutrient-packed start to your day that is as delicious as it is healthy. Let's talk about something we might consider for lunchtime. Turkey and veggie stir-fry. Turkey is a fantastic source of lean protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. Unlike other meats, it is lower in fat, making it a heart-healthy choice for those looking to keep their ticker in top shape. Our stir-fry stars a variety of vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. These are not just splashes of color on your plate. They are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like iron and potassium. Fiber from these veggies aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Plus, the vitamins and minerals support a robust immune system, protecting you from common illnesses. Combining the protein from turkey with complex carbohydrates from veggies provides sustained energy. This means you will stay active and alert, powering through your day with ease. So not only is our turkey and veggie stir-fry a feast for the eyes and delicious on the palate, but it is also a powerhouse of nutrition, keeping you healthy, energetic, and ready to tackle anything the day throws at you. Looking for a refreshing twist on your meals that is not only delicious, but packed with health benefits? A vegetarian favorite that is perfect for any time of the day. Zucchini noodles. Offer a low-carb, hydrating alternative to traditional pasta. Packed with vitamins A and C and rich in fiber, these noodles are not just about keeping you full. They are about nourishing your body from the inside out. But we do not stop at noodles. We elevate this dish with the vibrant flavors of cherry tomatoes and homemade pesto. Bursting with antioxidants, cherry tomatoes are tiny but mighty heroes for your heart. And the healthy fats in pesto, they are your ticket to promoting digestion and achieving glowing skin. Sitting down for a quick, revitalizing lunch keeps you focused, not sluggish. That is the beauty of zucchini noodles with pesto and cherry tomatoes. It is a dish that fits perfectly into your busy lifestyle, offering both convenience and nourishment. Zucchini noodles with pesto and cherry tomatoes are not just a meal, they are an experience. An experience that's kind to your body, kind to the planet, and delicious. You have reached the end of the day, and dinner is ready. What is on the menu? Salmon with sweet potato. Salmon, a treasure trove of omega-3 fatty acids, vital for your brain health, teams up with sweet potatoes, a powerhouse of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. We spotlighted a meal that is a visual masterpiece and a champion of health. Stuffed bell peppers with quinoa and chickpeas. Each component in this dish has been selected for its nutritional powerhouse. Bell peppers, bursting with vitamin C, support your immune system and skin health. Quinoa, a complete protein, fuels your body with all 9 essential amino acids. And chickpeas, they are your go-to for added fiber and protein, aiding in digestion and muscle health. This dish is a symphony of vitamins A, C, and K, magnesium, potassium, and iron, from enhancing vision and immune function to fighting free radicals and supporting bone health. Together, they regulate muscle and nerve functions and are crucial for oxygen transport in your blood. Incorporating stuffed bell peppers with quinoa and chickpeas into your daily diet can have profound effects. The high fiber content keeps you full longer, aiding in weight management. Complex carbs provide sustained energy, perfect for those busy days. And the antioxidants help reduce inflammation, keeping you active and vibrant. Let us not forget something sweet for our dessert. Greek yogurt parfaits are a powerhouse of nutrition that is as versatile as it is delicious. First off, let us talk about what sets Greek yogurt apart. It is not just any yogurt, it is packed with protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. But that is not all. Greek yogurt is teeming with probiotics. These beneficial bacteria play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, aiding digestion, and boosting your immune system. Its high protein content is good for your muscles. It keeps you feeling fuller longer, reducing the urge to snack on less healthy options. Greek yogurt provides a steady energy supply, perfect for a high-energy start or a midday boost without the slump. The beauty of a parfait is its versatility. Mix it up with different fruits, nuts, and seeds. Your taste buds and your gut will thank you. Remember, healthy food is not just about taste, it is about how it makes you feel. So next time you are reaching for a snack, make it a Greek yogurt parfait. These meals provide a variety of flavors and textures, contributing to a balanced diet that ensures you receive the essential nutrients needed for a healthy lifestyle. Whether you are in search of plant-based options, lean proteins, or hearty, comforting dishes, there is something for everyone on this list. Enjoy experimenting with these meals and adding them to your meal plan for a nutritious week ahead. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fitness insights. Your journey to health and fitness starts here.